This is English conversation practice for beginners.
Welcome back, everyone. You're watching Easy English Podcast, the place where learning English feels easy and fun.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. And today, I really love today's topic.
Me too. Today we are talking about hobbies.
Yes, how to talk about your hobbies in English. Simple words, simple sentences, real conversation.
By the end of this video, you will be able to say what you like to do, ask someone about their hobbies, and talk about hobbies in a natural, confident way.
Even if your English is at the beginning level, don't worry. We are here with you.
Let's go.
Oh, before we start, one small thing.
If this kind of English practice helps you, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps our channel grow.
And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It only takes 1 second.
And hey, share this with a friend who is also learning English. Learning together is always better.
Okay, now let's really get started.
So, Mike, why are hobbies important to talk about in English?
Great question, because think about it. When you meet someone new, what do they ask you?
They say, "What do you do in your free time?" Or, "Do you have any hobbies?"
Exactly. This happens all the time, at work, at school, with new friends, at a party.
And if you don't know how to answer, it feels uncomfortable, right?
Yes, you know the feeling. You understand the question, but you don't know what to say.
So today, we fix that. After this video, you will know exactly what to say.
This episode is for you, whether you are a complete beginner or just someone who wants more practice.
Okay, let's start with the most basic question. Mike, what is your hobby?
My hobby is playing football.
Perfect. So the structure is simple. My hobby is, and then you say the activity.
My hobby is playing football. My hobby is reading. My hobby is cooking.
You can also say, I like to. For example, I like to play football. I like to read. I like to cook.
Both are correct. My hobby is and I like to, same meaning, different words.
Let's try one more. Mike, ask me.
Okay, Sarah, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music, and I also love drawing.
Oh, nice. So you can also say, I love. That means you really, really like it.
I like cooking. I love drawing. You hear the difference?
Like is good. Love is more strong, more feeling.
Exactly. Great point, Mike.
Okay, viewers, now let's learn how to ask about hobbies. Because conversation is not only about you, you also ask the other person.
Right. Here are some simple ways to ask.
What is your hobby?
What do you like to do in your free time?
Do you have any hobbies?
All three are natural and polite. You can use any of them.
Let's practice. Sarah, do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I love drawing, and I also enjoy watching movies on weekends.
Oh, nice. So you can also say, I enjoy. That means you really, really like it.
I like cooking. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy walking. I enjoy learning English.
I hope so. That's why you're here, right, everyone?
Now, this is really useful. When you talk about hobbies, people often ask, how often do you do it?
So you need words like every day, sometimes, often, on weekends, once a week.
For example, I play the guitar every day.
I go hiking on weekends.
I sometimes watch cooking videos online.
I read books once a week. I want to read more, but life is busy.
We understand, Mike. We understand.
So viewers, remember, say your hobby and how often. It makes your answer more natural and more interesting.
Hey, stay with us. At the end of this video, we are going to practice everything together one more time. You don't want to miss that.
Yes, the practice part at the end is really helpful, so keep watching. Okay, now let's go a little deeper. What if someone asks, do you like all sports? Do you like all music?
Because sometimes we don't like everything, right?
Right. So we need to know how to say what we don't like too.
Here are some useful phrases.
I don't really like, for example, I don't really like running.
I'm not a big fan of. I'm not a big fan of team sports.
I prefer, I prefer watching movies at home instead of going to the cinema.
Oh, prefer is a great word. It means you like one thing more than another thing.
For example, I prefer football over basketball.
I prefer drawing over painting. Both are art, but I prefer drawing.
You can say this about hobbies, food, music, anything.
Viewers, you can say, I like blank, but I prefer blank.
Let's try. Sarah, do you like all kinds of music?
I like pop music and soft music, but I don't really like very loud music.
I understand that. I like music too, but I prefer jazz. It's calm. It's relaxing.
Oh, interesting. See, we are different, and that's okay. That's what makes conversation fun.
Now, let's make your answers even better. How? By giving a reason.
Because when you say why you like something, it sounds more natural, more human.
Instead of just, I like reading,
You say, I like reading because it helps me relax. Or, I like reading because I learn new things.
it's only a few more words, but it makes a big difference.
Let's practice together. Mike, why do you like football?
I like football because it's exciting and I love playing with my friends. It makes me feel happy.
Beautiful. Okay, now let's teach viewers some simple reason words.
Because it's fun.
Because it helps me relax.
Because I learn new things.
Because I enjoy being outside.
Because it makes me feel good.
Pick any of these and add them to your hobby sentence. Easy.
Viewers, in this situation, if someone asks, why do you like your hobby? Just say, I like it because, and choose one reason. Simple and natural.
Okay, let's look at some words you might want to use when you talk about hobbies.
Word number 1, relaxing. It means something that helps you feel calm and less stressed.
For example, drawing is very relaxing for me.
Word number 2, creative. Something that uses your imagination. Art, writing, cooking. These are creative hobbies.
Word number 3, active. A hobby that uses your body. Football, swimming, dancing, these are active hobbies.
Word number 4, indoors, inside the house. Reading, cooking, watching movies. These are indoor hobbies.
And the opposite, outdoors, outside. Hiking, gardening, cycling, outdoor hobbies.
So you can describe your hobby with these words.
For example, my hobby is yoga. It's relaxing and it's an indoor activity.
Or, I love cycling. It's active and I enjoy being outdoors.
Great! Use these words and your English will sound more confident.
Okay, now let's talk about how to use all of this in real life.
Tip number 1, short answers are totally fine.
If someone asks, what's your hobby? You don't need to speak for 5 minutes.
Just say, I like reading. I read every evening before bed. That's enough.
Tip number 2, it's okay to ask back.
After you answer, say, what about you? What do you like to do?
This is very natural. It keeps the conversation going, and the other person will feel good because you are interested in them too.
Tip number 3, use your face and your energy.
When you talk about something you love, show it. Smile. Use a happy voice. People feel your excitement.
Even in English, emotion helps communication a lot.
Tip number 4, it's okay to say, I'm not sure how to say this in English, but
That's honest, and native speakers respect that. Don't pretend, just try your best.
that's all we ask. Just try.
Okay, everyone, this is the part we promised, the practice section. Let's do a full, natural conversation using everything we learned today.
Ready, Sarah?
Ready, let's go.
Hey, Sarah, do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I love drawing. I draw almost every day. It's really relaxing for me. What about you, Mike?
I like playing football. I play with my friends on weekends. It's so much fun.
Oh, nice. Do you prefer indoor or outdoor activities?
Definitely outdoor. I love being outside, but I also enjoy reading at night before I sleep.
I'm not a big fan of outdoor sports, but I love walking in the park. It's calm and peaceful.
That's great. Walking is a wonderful hobby. Simple, but good for your mind and body.
Did you hear all those phrases? I love, I like, I prefer, I'm not a big fan of, I enjoy.
All of them, natural, easy, real.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Okay, let's quickly remember what we practiced today.
We learned how to say what your hobby is. My hobby is, I like to, I enjoy.
We learned how to ask about someone's hobby. What do you like to do? Do you have any hobbies?
We learned how to say how often. Every day. On weekends. Sometimes once a week.
We learned how to give a reason. I like it because...
And we learned some great words. Relaxing, creative, active, indoors, outdoors.
That's a lot. But it all came naturally, right?
That's the goal. No stress, just practice. Now, here is your moment. We want to hear from you.
In the comments below, write about your hobby. Practice right now.
You can copy one of these sentences and complete it.
My hobby is blank. I like it because blank.
Or try I enjoy blank. I do it every day, on weekends, sometimes.
There is no wrong answer. Every comment is practice. Every comment is progress.
We read your comments and we love them, so please write something below, even one sentence.
We will cheer for you, I promise.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. Seriously, it means a lot.
Learning a language takes time and effort, and the fact that you are here practicing today, that says something really good about you.
You are doing great. Really, keep going.
And hey, come back tomorrow. We have a new episode ready for you. Same time, same place, Easy English Podcast.
Every day is a new chance to practice. Don't miss it. Stay with us for the next one.
Until then, keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time.